What's poppin' YouTube world? Your boy Justin here again as always, aka Adobe One Kenobi, back with another YouTube tutorial. Blessed and highly favored. Hallelujah. I'm taking a vacation tomorrow, so let's cheers to that. Hallelujah. Now, jumping straight into the video, today we're going to be talking about custom keyboard shortcuts, how to use them, and how they can save you hours upon hours per project, and how they're going to turn your entire workflow upside down. And of course, it wouldn't be a tutorial without talking about the Benjamins. They're gonna make you a lot more money, guys, because you're gonna save a lot of time and be able to put out twice as many edits for clients. So use these consistently, and I promise you, you will notice a giant shift in your workflow. So it's gonna be a very quick video today, nothing too mind-blowing, but it's going to help a lot. It is a very practical skill. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, to set up your own keyboard shortcut, go up to Premiere Pro and hit Keyboard Shortcuts, and then you're gonna see a long list of different commands. Basically, anything that you can do in Premiere Pro will be on this list, and essentially you want to find the specific command you're looking for, and then go over to the shortcut option. If it's blank, click it, and then all you have to do is hit the keys on your keyboard to assign that as a new keyboard shortcut. All right, now let's put this to practical use. Let's say you have a clip and you want to cut it every frame, deleting every second frame to give a bit of a strobe effect. We could go to the blade tool and do this manually, one by one, which does take a bit of time. Alternatively, let's say we set up our shortcut to be Command K. Now, let's try this with Command K. It's a lot quicker, as you can see. Now, it doesn't seem like much, but over time you will save a lot of time during an edit. And there you have it, folks. Another quick, short, effective, and very practical tutorial. Honestly, these little steps that you've seen in the video today really add up, and over time you can save a lot of hours on each project, and in turn you can do more projects and output a lot more work for clients and get a lot more Benjamins for the spending, baby. Now, if you felt like I sped over anything in the video today, please ask me questions in the comments below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Do me the favor of hitting the thumbs up button. It helps a lot with getting my video out there. And finally, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Something like 80% of my viewers are not subscribed, so what the hell are you doing with your life? I will literally send you money for a beer if you hit that subscribe button and send me a screenshot. I promise you, I'm a man of my word. And with that being said, I'll see you next time. Peace.